sleeping with them, cheating on her just to get by. Telling myself my vision is blurry, knowing she the real sparkle in my eye. Knowing one day karma gon' reply, she gon' fall for a whole nother guy. So when I come in, she asks me where I been. It's a lie to begin. I say I was with my friends, you know, Ed and them at the mansion, had a little shindig, and no, it wasn't no women.
You can rest assured I want no food.
Yeah.
She can tell I'm in love with you. Stealing your love, getting harder and harder. Excuse, I can get it just
I don't know how to lie though now.
I'm running out of love. Get it hard. Get it hard. Get it hard to think of an alibi.
Propane.
Don't go.
No more lies, no more alibis, no more cries. I will not lie with you. See your eye and lie to you and act like I don't wanna be on the side of you. Even though I'm at Hawaiian Gardens, I ain't far from you. If you scan my brain waves, this is what I'm surfing to. The tunes I'm sick with, the music is nursing too. And it's hurting too, it's hard, but it's worth it. Boo, the sound of my life, the beat of the night I listen to. In the heat of the night, the bang bang, the boogie, the sirens, the gunshots, that's music too. And I'ma prove it too. Right to Hollywood, I'ma move it too. We gonna let you slide our way right through. Ever since George and Wheezy, I wanna move too. But no moves will be made unless you move too. That's in me and you, I see so clear like right through. So when I hear a loose head or right too, I give my soul not just for the penny. I murder tracks every episode like you kill. On my knees begging, please don't leave me hanging. I'm waiting, I'm barely patient. There's no balance in that statement. I'm stating the state of my mind. It's basically blatantly trying to find a way to show you I'ma drop my pride. I'm like, I know you love them other guys like Kanye, Weezy, Jay-Z and Jeezy, but I'm Propane-The. Need a little love too. My song's all about you. I won't go without you. I'm pushed by faith and pulled by hope, so all I see is dollar signs and music notes. It's music notes. Seem close without that scope. My money funny, but not close to a joke. Nope.